Miradry is a lasting solution for excessive underarm sweat. Do you sweat more than you'd like? More than the average person? Are you embarrassed by visible underarm sweat stains? If so, you're not alone. In fact, 1 out of 5 adults report that they are significantly bothered by their underarm sweat. Millions of people suffer from a medical condition known as hyperhidrosis, a condition where the sweat glands are overactive, producing more sweat than is needed to cool the body. Excessive underarm sweating can have significant psychological and social effects, negatively impacting the quality of life for millions of silent sufferers. It can be a daily struggle, producing anxiety at work, embarrassment in relationships and social settings, and frustration over constantly ruining clothes. Other types of treatments have not delivered the combination of desired benefits that Miradry can deliver. Miradry can deliver all of the following: a dramatic reduction of sweat, results that are immediate and lasting, a non-invasive procedure without the use of toxins or surgery, has minimal to no downtime, and is a quick in-office procedure. Miradry is a non-invasive outpatient procedure performed in a dermatologist's office. No surgical incisions or cuts are involved. The Miradry system delivers precisely controlled electromagnetic energy to the underarm area where the sweat glands reside. The sweat glands are then eliminated. This does not affect the body's ability to cool itself. Clinical studies on patients treated with the Miradry procedure show lasting results. Tissue biopsies confirm that the sweat glands have been eliminated, and published scientific research indicates that sweat glands do not regenerate. In other words, once eliminated, they do not come back. A typical Miradry office visit, including preparation and the procedure, takes about 1 hour. There is minimal to no downtime after the procedure. Most patients are able to return to normal activities right after the procedure and can typically resume exercise within several days. Some localized soreness or swelling is normal and typically clears within a few weeks. For maximum efficacy and duration, 2 treatments are required, approximately 3 months apart. Visit Miradry.com or talk to your dermatologist to see if the Miradry procedure is right for you. Miradry, a lasting solution for excessive underarm sweat.